Hello, welcome to the College of Business Administration. Business and technology students, we hope you are having a fantastic semester. This has been different, and so we know you've probably had more classes across campus than in our building. And so we wanted to take a moment to make sure you had seen all of the changes that we've made in the building this past summer. The main thing I hope you will notice in the renovations that we did this summer is that this is a place that you are welcome. We opened up the entrance into the first floor office wing to give more visibility and to hopefully give you an invitation to come in and meet with faculty and staff. The conference rooms on the front of the entrance are there for you to use. During regular office hours, you can schedule a meeting at the reception desk or on the screens there just outside the conference room. And those conference rooms can also be scheduled for after hours. And stay tuned, we're expecting more changes over the coming summers. Next summer, we'll have the second floor of the office wing and the third floor of the classroom wing. And the following summer, we'll have the first and second floor of the classroom wing, and the atrium will be done sometime in all of that. I am so grateful for all of the donors who believe in you and believe in us and want to make renovations like this possible. And I hope you'll come and interact with faculty and staff in this space, and we hope this feels like home for you.